She needs some TLC, so I brought my scraper and a little buff pad, and we're gonna let her rip.
First view of the seas, feels good. I think it's the first time opening season that we've had actual snow everywhere, so.
Yeah, they've gotten about 2 feet up here already.
Look at it.
Limber up. All right, you guys ready?
Yeah, let's hit this.
Let's get it. Jimmy Phil with the new skis.
I feel good.
Let's go. I don't want to hit him.
They're gonna get flopped off anyway.
Yeah, but it doesn't have to be for me.
Rules, not rules, bro.
Kicking back like a player, talking about some pimp shit. Fuck a hater. They ain't on my level, moving slowly like a slug do. I hit up Jay, sent the pack, and now it's on food. See my thug gang shit, thuggin' when we bump, bitch. Pushing down the block, I'm riding diesel, can't hold this. Hit the guard like Moses, burn them till they roaches. Now I got the munchies, bust the left and hit up churches. I'm just saying, hit them where it hurts the most, till they turn to ghosts. Tryna knock me off, y'all ain't even coming close. Siren no for clutching, then I get no motherfucking. For y'all hoes who wanted something, y'all ain't getting nothing. Y'all can go to hell, bitch, I'm top shelf. Grade 8, gonna sell purple things, they can smell. Y'all don't need it like a y'all some phony.
Oh my god.
My quads feel great. Calves a little tight.
You see, I actually feel really good.
Well, it's because you work out.
Yeah, I guess.
I drive and I game.
I was pretty far behind. I was not expecting you to throw that on there.
He's going to. Knuckle. You got it. Winner straight.